quality for the range of wheel spacers are exactly the same. They're mechanical components that push the wheels away from the vehicle original hubs. The vehicle wheels are fastened to a corresponding wheel hub by clamping force, achieved by tightening the wheel studs of each wheel. All forces are transmitted through each hub and its corresponding hub assembly. Therefore, the vehicle weight is not placed on any Ford Ranger wheel spacers installed. Installed hub-centric Ford Ranger wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, hub-centric Ford Ranger wheel spacers are designed with a hub-centric ring in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting plate. The Ford Ranger wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the vehicle weight better and fill the gap for a tighter fit, providing the minimum chance of vibration. Quality Ford Ranger wheel spacers provide distinct performance advantages. Many Ford Ranger wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, but remember that forged ones are always better than the cast ones. Compared to traditional steel spacers, forged aluminum Ford Ranger wheel spacers are much stronger as well as for a longer service life. Selecting the best Ford Ranger wheel spacers ensures safety, and it almost always saves money in routine maintenance. BONOSS Ford multi-stage hub-centric Ford Ranger wheel spacers are considered safer and more reliable. The hub-centric measuring is machined in a multi-layer process, and the chamfers match the corresponding hub range, eliminating any possible gaps. The machining accuracy of 0.02 mm ensures a high-quality surface. The higher the accuracy of the contact surface, the better the fit of the Ford Ranger wheel spacers, and the safer your driving will be. Thus, BONOSS Ford multi-stage hub-centric Ford Ranger wheel spacers will effectively reduce the chance of vibration and keep your wheels safe all the way. In addition, the BONOSS Ford Ranger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better. Distribute in pedal shape. These grooves allow this thermal cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving the safety. Also, the BONOSS Ford active cooling Ford Ranger wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives you peace of mind.
No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.